if you can write or you are a good storyteller, this video right here is for you. All right, so guys, this is another great opportunity that is available right now, so you have to be fast about this and you want to stick with me right to the end of this video, because I'll talk about what fellows receive. I'll talk about who this opportunity is for, who should apply. All right, so you want to stay with me right to the end of this video. So guys, now as you can see, the One Humanity Fellowship is a 3-month program for writers and multimedia producers with a genuine commitment to human rights, civic life, and the stories that really make the front page. So we pair emerging storytellers with editorial support to develop and publish original across thematic areas. So fellows who publish at least 5 pieces on a bi-weekly schedule throughout the 3-month period. Fellows publish at least 5 pieces on a bi-weekly schedule throughout the 3-month period. Now, this is a program for those who have something to say and want support saying it, not just a byline opportunity, but a genuine editorial relationship. We accept storytellers of any format, such as journalistic, analytical pieces, personal essays, photo essays, short form video, audio, and social media stories. So you want to submit your application by August 21st, 2026 at exactly this time, 11:59 p.m. And so guys, you want to be fast about this. Of course, I'm going to show you how you can apply right here. Now let's look at what fellows are receive. Publication of your work on WOW's website and distribution to our global newsletter readership. Editorial mentorship from WOW's experienced editors. Expert mentorship in your field, matched to your area of interest within WOW's thematic areas. A guest speaking opportunity. Fellows may be featured on a WOW webinar to speak on a topic in their field of interest and expertise. A cohort community. Fellows interact with one another throughout the program, building connections across regions, formats, and perspectives. A stipend of $500 for your time and work. So who should apply right here? So the fellowship is open to emerging writers and multimedia producers at any career stage. So you do not need a journalism degree or formal training. Now what matters is a genuine engagement with human rights or civic issues. Now a distinct voice or visual perspective, and the willingness to commit to the program's duration and regular deadlines. So we actively seek applicants from underrepresented regions and communities, particularly those whose stories are really surface in an international media. So guys, now we are looking at the next one right here. So let's look at the thematic areas. Fellows work within WOW's 5 thematic areas. The list below illustrates possible topics that fall under each theme, but these are not rigid assignments. Now, fellows are expected to bring their own angle, region, so you have to take note of this, and community to these issues. Now, let's look at them. Responding to threats against democracy. Discussions around the degradations of democratic principles around the world relating to political development, media suppression, and the targeting of freedom of expression. Now, another one is the Gen Z revolt against cronyism. Now, right here, youth-led anti-corruption protests in India, Nepal, Indonesia, and beyond. Now, democratic backsliding, how elected leaders dismantle the institutions that brought them to power. Now, disinformation, AI-generated content, and the battle for truth. Now, another one right here is faith under nationalism. What happens when religion becomes a tool of the state? Now, oligarchy and the concentration of wealth in the hands of tech billionaires and political elites. Corporate impunity, when companies break the law and the governments look away. So this is the thematic areas you are to simply focus on. So guys, please, you need to take your time and go through this before you apply. All right, so now moving beyond polarization, lessons involving how to unite differing perspectives and identities relating to politics, religion, advocacy, and more. Online aids and the real world consequences of digital dehumanization. Now, cancel culture, accountability, and what restorative justice actually looks like, the lived experience of religious minorities in secular states, Islamophobia in the West, from foreign policy to your next door neighbor. So now, guys, you need to go through all this, all right? You need to go through all this in order to actually know what you are getting into, all right? And of course, guys, you have this right here. $500 as stipend for your time and work. So I believe this is worth it, right? I believe this is worth it. I believe we all want this $500, so we should try and go through all this, all right, before we go ahead and apply. So now let's look at the last one right here: finding what sustains us, stories of why we live, a spotlight on the beauty of cultures and communities around the world, indigenous voices, second generation immigrants navigating the identity, belonging, and dual loyalties, the diaspora experience, maintaining culture and community across borders, sports, music, and art as tools for bridging divides, One Piece, protest flags, and pop culture as a language of resistance, fandoms, pop culture, and the politics of who gets to belong. So you can actually send your questions to this email right here. All right. So now to actually apply, guys, you want to go back to this place and simply click on this. All right, application, apply now. So guys, it is very important to take note of this. You need to apply as soon as possible. And of course, you simply want to fill out this one humanity fellowship. And thank you for your interest in becoming a One Humanity Fellow. Please fill out this application form and submit by August 21st, 2026. So you want to be fast about this and do this as soon as possible. So now you want to come here, your email, you want to record, all right, as the email to be included with your response. You want to enter your full name, your preferred name for byline, your email, your current country of residence. So guys, this is 6 pages. So you need to fill out everything, all right? The nationality, you write here, your current occupation or affiliation, e.g. journalist, student, filmmaker, community organizer, and so on. So how did you hear about the One Humanity Fellowship? So you can specify that you actually got this information from Logic Income Academy YouTube channel. And of course, you can click on next right here and fill out all these details right there. So guys, now this is what I have for you right now, and I want you to actually take action and apply as soon as possible. So guys, if you got value, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course share this video with a friend out there. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.